So if you've got a lot of plants in your garden, and you know, that's what I've built up over the years and become more and more wildlife friendly, of course, but ideally leave these empty now, and then you'll find your birds all over your bits and bobs, and then they get fresh stuff, because not all birds are meant to eat seeds, and they'll come onto these plants that are in your garden, like these dogwoods. It's just a rose with the sawfly on it. So you see all those lovely larvae. Fresh food for baby birds, perfect. So you know what, that stays empty. As much as I want to see the birds in the garden, I still see them, because they're going to come and take the fresh stuff. I don't think that's particularly controversial if you've got the plants. And as I said before, I didn't put this here. The birds did. They know what they're doing. So this is fabulous. Look at this. I mean, look. There's a whole ton of food right there for some baby birds. All fresh meat. Yum, yum. Also for the ichneumon, the wasps. They love all that fresh stuff. So there you go. What's a few leaves between friends? Look at the rest of it, healthy as you like.